Hello, Flipkart's tech team. We are Team Data Amos, and today we are pitching for the idea of Drishti. The full form of Drishti is Digital Real-Time Intelligence for Smart Hotspot and Traffic Insights. Now, every day, Bangalore loses thousands of hours of congestion, and a huge share of it starts with one thing: illegal and spillover parking choking junctions. This problem isn't just a lack of data, it's that no one can see which parking violation actually hurt traffic or acts on them in time. That's the gap Drishti closes. Now, Drishti is a decision support platform for traffic police, which entirely on the provided dataset which we were provided in the round 2 of Flipkart Grid 2.0, Gridlock 2.0, nearly 300,000, that is 3 lakh violations across 2,500 zones were given to us in the dataset. And the core insight is simple: congestion isn't random. The worst 100 zones drive about 40% of all violations. Now, since the data has violation but no raw traffic flow, we build the Congestion Impact Index. Now, if I log in as an admin, traffic admin, let's log in as traffic admin, and we go forward with the password that is given to us over here, admin123. So this is the overall UI that we have made. Now, in the first frame out, what we get is impact map. Now, whatever dataset that we were given in the CSV file, we have made it in 4 sections: parking violation, impacted zones, high impact, and forecast. Now, parking violation is very much easy to predict. It is directly taken from the dataset, and it shows the decrease of 3.2% versus the previous 30 days. That means this data is about 12 months, and in the 11th month, it will decrease for 3.2%. That means a 3.2% has been detected for one total month, that is 30 days. Same matrix is considered for all these 3: impacted zones, high impact. Now, this high impact tells about the CII. Now, what is CII? Over here in the bottom, we have told the formula that we have used for CII. CII is equals to severity-weighted volume, that is 45%, that we will consider, plus persistence, 30%, plus peak concentration, 25%. Amplified near junction, and forecast is done with the algorithm of light BGM and MEA. Now, coming to the impact map. This is the overall area of Bangalore. Now, suppose say we come over here in this position. This CII index shows that it has the value of 54.8. Now, it shows the rank of 451. Now, it shows that higher the CII, higher the congestion, lower is the rank. And the color that we have used is low to high. That means the low congestion, the low CII will be shown in green color, the moderate one will be shown in the yellowish color, and the highest one will be shown in red color. For this one, where the rank is 419, the location is given, the number of violations is given, and the days upon which the number of violations has been made. That means for the last 61 days, 291 violations was done in this particular area, in this particular address, and the top violation was no parking. Now, I have shown over here 50 CIO. If I decrease it, it will expand its area in the whole Bangalore region as per the data which was given to us in the dataset. And if I increase it, it will show the highest number of congestion, that is the red marked area, which is there in the majority for that Bangalore city. Coming to the next matrix in our navigation bar, we have live alerts. Now, what is this live alert? Live alert gives us 3 metrics: active alerts, criteria, zones monitored. Now, this shows the highest number of ranks. Suppose say the top 20, because we have given the number of rank as 20. This top 20, if we dispatch the first address, Shivaji Nagar, at the junction, Safia Plaza Junction, which have the violation 6,667, having the top violation as wrong parking, and the recommended action that has to be taken is deploy the patrol and plus initiate towing. The towing should be done for the illegal parking. And if we dispatch this from here, since we are the traffic admin, we will dispatch it It was there in the dispensary road. So we have dispatched it in the dispensary road, and subsequently we will be getting in the officers table as well. Now I have logged in as the patrol officer over here. You can see this was the traffic admin. Now we have gone to the same website and we have logged in as the petrol officer. Now in the petrol officer section, if you go in the live alerts that the petrol officer will be getting, let's see, dispensary, Shivaji Nagar, junction is Safia Plaza Mall, violation is this, and we have the top violation is wrong parking and the recommended action is this. That was shown earlier in the admin section. Coming to the trends. Now, this trends, if we click on the live replay, it will go from straight from 2023 till 2024, the dataset which was given to us, and it will show the live visualization of the data. Now, what it is showing from the daily violation, it will show the date, the date span versus the number of violations that is happening. Subsequently, there are many violations which are shown over here. It is real time as per the dataset which was given to us because we were not supposed to use any API and any other dataset except the one which was given to us. Suppose say if we consider this pie chart, by violation type, we will see that what is the highest number of violation. If we see 41% is the highest number of violation, the number is 1,39,048 and 1,39,048 violation is for no parking. Subsequently, if we go for 48%, which is the highest one in this pie chart, and it shows 1,64,974, which is yes, so which is wrong parking. Subsequently, if we go on in this pie chart, this will show the different kinds of vehicles: scooter, car, motorcycle, passenger auto, maxi cab, LGV, goods auto. This is all depending. This is all done depending on the dataset that was given to us. Now there is also an option of theme change. So if I change the theme from here, it will show the percentages. Coming to the next metric, this is enforcement priorities. Now this enforcement priorities comes with the value of n. Now this is by default given as n. If we take it to 25, it will get the top 25 locations that has the maximum priority, which the patrolling officer should take so that future congestion and future repercussions should not be faced. Because if these things are not treated as highest priority, this can result in higher number of CII and it can ultimately give us a very high number of congestion in the future. Now, there can be some numbers which will show 18, 18, 18. That means all three locations have the same priority. That means all three locations should be considered with the same priority. Coming to the repeat offenders, as the name suggests, this shows the vehicle number, their number of violations, the repeated violations that they have, the zone hits, the type of the vehicle, the tire under which they have been assigned, recommended action that has to be taken from the officer in charge, and the last scene for that particular vehicle. There are some visualizations also depending on the repeated offenders of the citizens of Bangalore. Coming to the tomorrow's focus, this is the metrics that we were talking about that we implemented light BGM for. Light GBM algorithm has been implemented for the tomorrow's forecast. Now this tomorrow's forecast is predicting for the top 25 locations that what can happen after that day upon which was the data given to us. Suppose say if the data was given to us for 5 August 2024, what can happen in 6 August 2024? This is the predictions that has been given by the algorithm. This is the location, this is the nearest junction, this is the predicted intensity that can happen, and this is the current CII that is there. If the current CII is 3098 in 5th August, for 6th August, it can reduce it to 35.72%. This is no percent, this is in value. Coming to the petrol planner. Yes, we have three metrics: hotspot zones for tomorrow, stations to be briefed, and petrol units to be deployed. Now, this is the visualizations as per the location that was given to us. Coming to the location that has the priority as per the plan that has to be made by the officer in charge or the petroleum officer. Now, this is one thing that I have searched just now. Show worst situation in Shivaji Nagar in Kannada language. If we just click it, obviously, if somebody wants to give the entry from Mike, they can give from Mike, as it was showing to me also for giving the permission. If we just enter it from here, it will give us the top locations for Shivaji Nagar in which the petroleum should be done. This is the number of violation in the Shivaji Nagar and the type of violation that is tops in that particular region. If somebody is, if somebody only knows Kannada, then how will he or she will understand? He or she will just download this.
ಮೇಲಿನ 3 ಪ್ರದೇಶಗಳು. 1. ಡಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸರಿ ರೋಡ್, ಸಿಐ 500, 6667 ಉಲ್ಲಂಘನೆ. 2. ಡಿಕನ್ಸನ್ ರೋಡ್, ಸಿಐ 500, 4257 ಉಲ್ಲಂಘನೆ. 3. 1 ಕಲ್ಲು ಮೇನ್ ರೋಡ್, ಸಿಐ 99, 964 ಉಲ್ಲಂಘನೆ.
Obviously, the voice will also be coming in Kannada, and if somebody wants to change the language, he or she can change the language entirely from English Hindi to ultimately Kannada. Now, if we just consider English for this video, the last part is event mode that we have to cover. It shows that if the particular action is not taken, what may can happen. This shows the surge, that means 20 plus 20 in CII for that particular location, and the peak CII for that particular location is 100. So if the actual action is not taken, will be resulting in higher CII, which can actually be very much problematic for the future. This is the recent searches option that we have searched. I've only searched this, so it's actually showing us this is the time stamp of the audio that we have made. Now, Drishti is a decision support end-to-end predict, target, act, plan, and accelerate. It's transparent and audible. It's triangular with Kannada and Hindi voice for real field adoption. And because the heavy compute runs offline, it runs live on a free tier deployable today and city agnostic for any Indian city. From seeing the problem to acting on it, Drishti is a complete deployable live right now. We are team data AMOs, and the Drishti tagline is Har Sarak par nazar, har safar aasan. Watch on every road, every journey easier. Thank you.